Let's learn shapes on the train with JJ. Let's go! What shape is round all over? I know! A circle! Good job! What shape has 3 sides? I know! A triangle! Yay! What shape has 4 sides? I know! A square! Well done! Can you remember the shapes? Circle, triangle, square. Learning shapes is so much fun!